Do you see yourself as a future lawyer, a judge, a policymaker, an academic? Welcome back. This is the first content part of the module on publication strategy. In this video, I will explain why knowing your future career plans is important to choosing where to publish. First, your publications help you speak to the right audience. Do you want your work to reach practitioners or academics, or maybe the general public? Second, through your publications, you can signal your future employer the quality of your research and analytical skills and your ability to have an impact in the field. Let's take a few examples. If you would like to become a researcher and a lecturer in a law faculty, you should focus on publishing your work with a good publishing house or legal journals. For example, publishing your thesis as a book in Cambridge or Oxford University Press, the two best international publishing houses, sends a signal of excellence. Publications in national journals might be important to show the relevance of your research to national legal problems. But if you intend to apply for large international grants, publishing in international peer-reviewed journals is especially important. If you want a position in economics department, publishing in, for example, law reviews will not give you much. You should especially pay attention to impact factors of journals. This is a score that indicates the impact a journal has in terms of the frequency it is being cited. The higher the score, the more impact the journal has. I will explain what impact factors are in more detail in another video in this module. They can also be important for lawyers. If your end goal is becoming a practitioner, think about professional journals. Those journals target other practitioners and can give you the right exposure. If you are confident you want to become a lawyer, impact factors might be less important for you. Finally, you might want to work in a public authority. Or maybe you would like to be a consultant for a public authority, to become a member in a think tank. Then you should try to contribute to policy reports. You should target journals with a special focus on policy. In this video, I have demonstrated why your future professional plans should guide your choice of publication. Try to think for yourself. What is the most appealing position for you after the PhD? What is your passion, research, practice, or policy making? This will be an important step for our next videos. In the next videos, I will discuss the different types of international journals and how to assess their quality.